In today's video, we're going to solve an SATMath problem that involves square roots. We'll work step by step to find the value of x in this equation. X times the square root of 20 equals to times the square root of 180 divided by x. Let's start by writing our equation. We have x times the square root of 20 equals to times the square root of 180 divided by x. We want to isolate the variable x. To eliminate the fraction, we will multiply both sides of the equation by x. This gives us x squared times the square root of 20 equals to times the square root of 180. Next, we need to simplify the square roots. Let's first simplify the square root of 20. We can write 20 as 4 times 5. Therefore, the square root of 20 is 2 times the square root of 5. Now, let's simplify the square root of 180. We can write 180 as 36 times 5. So, the square root of 180 is 6 times the square root of 5. Substituting these values back into our equation gives us x squared times 2 times the square root of 5 equals to times 6 times the square root of 5. This simplifies to 2 times x squared times the square root of 5 equals 12 times the square root of 5. Next, we divide both sides by 2 times the square root of 5. This leaves us with x squared equals 6. To find x, we take the square root of both sides. This gives us x equals the square root of 6. So, our final answer is x equals the square root of 6, which is the option ED. And that wraps up our solution. We've successfully solved for x in this SATMath problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies.